Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare wheatgrass versus barley grass. We'll explore their unique nutritional compositions and discuss the specific health advantages each offers. Understanding these differences can help you choose the best option for your wellness goals. We'll also cover common uses and important considerations for incorporating these green superfoods into your diet. Let's dive into the details. When we look at their nutritional profiles, some key differences emerge. Wheatgrass is particularly noted for its high chlorophyll content, which gives it its vibrant green color, and it also provides more iron. On the other hand, barley grass typically boasts higher amounts of essential minerals like calcium and potassium. Both grasses are packed with beneficial enzymes and antioxidants, supporting overall health. Each grass brings its own set of health advantages. Wheatgrass is often praised for its detoxifying properties and its ability to boost energy and vitality. Barley grass is well regarded for supporting digestive health and strengthening the immune system. Both are versatile and can be easily incorporated into your routine, whether you prefer them in a morning smoothie or as a convenient supplement. Before adding either wheatgrass or barley grass to your regimen, it's always wise to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have existing conditions or are taking medications. Be mindful of potential allergies, particularly if you are sensitive to grasses or gluten. Remember, individual responses can vary, so listen to your body. Also, for those looking to improve their financial well-being, check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.